it's Bonnie Southgate hEDS Rehab here with another exercise for you today for the month of May for EDS awareness. So today I have another great shoulder exercise for you for getting these shoulders stable. It's a nice simple one, and it targets lots of things all together. So we need to get our serratus anterior working, and we also need to get the external rotators working. So I'm going to take this band and we're going to put it around the arms. So I've tied a little loop, and I'm not putting it on my forearms, I'm putting it above the elbow. So I don't want to be using my forearm rather than my upper arms. And I'm going to lie on my back simply here. So I've got my elbows and I'm going to push them out so that they're in line with my shoulder, and my hands and forearms are in line with my shoulder. So if I get up and I show you, I'm just there. So I've got that right angle to my elbow, and I'm very, very gently pushing out to just find the stabilizers from the lateral side of the arms. This helps to switch bipectoralis major off, which often is overactive in people with unstable shoulders. And I'm gently just going to start to lift my elbows up slightly, and then I'm going to bring them down slightly. So I'm just gently pushing out, and I'm just going to make a very small movement, lifting up and then coming back down, and you can go as far as your shoulders are comfortable. So I'm lifting up, and I can keep going, and I'm watching that I'm not lifting my ribs. So I've got that pushing out, and I can take the arms back, and I'm okay there. And then coming all the way back down, I'm going to have a little break and rest. And I'm going to do that one more time. So I'm gently pushing out. And I like lying on my back when I start this because I've got gravity helping to take that arm into the socket as I take the arms over my head and bring them down. And one more time, taking them up and over and bring them down and relax. So that is an exercise for today, for the month of May, to help stabilize those shoulders. I hope you found that useful. I hope you've tried it. I hope it felt great, and I hope you have a great day.